Hi everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to take a look at the asset tracking Odoo module developed by Openinside. The Assets Tracking module is a fully integrated solution for deploying and monitoring your assets. It allows users to access crucial tracking information without exposing them to sensitive processes related to asset management and procurement. This ensures data security and operational efficiency while maintaining transparency in asset tracking. Let's get started with our demo. To begin, this is the Asset Tracking module. It is a separate module from the Accounting module. By clicking on the assets, you will be able to see all the assets already registered in the Accounting module. It contains a separate page for each asset. From this page, you can see the location of the asset, the employee assigned, and the department. Additionally, you can view the historical information of the assets movements through the Smart button. This includes the list of assets, the list of asset movements, and a configuration for the location. You can create a new location, so at the time of creating a movement, it is already pre-configured. To reach the asset tracking points, we start with the Accounting module by creating a vendor bill or by using an already imported asset that we have. We will create a vendor bill. Click on New. Select the vendor. Select the bill date. For example, we have laptops. I will use laptop. As you can see, the account is already set automatically. Then I will input the price, for example, 700. And confirm. Once confirmed, this vendor bill will directly generate an asset. This asset now automatically generates a sequence for it, which is 𝗶-𝒂. This 𝗶-𝒂 asset is reflected in the Asset Tracking module. All the assets are shown here, including the new assets. We can see that there is a draft movement for this asset, which is directed to the asset warehouse location. If I know the destination location, employee, or department, I can set it in the state of the location. But if I still want it in my asset warehouse, I just select the date and confirm it. For example, it entered the assets warehouse on July 1st, 2024. Now, from the assets list, I can see the location. I will make another movement now, taking it to California, to Adam, in the finance department in July 15th, 2024. I'll create another movement. I'll select the new location, which is Colorado, to Philip, and register it in the Department of Operations. I select the date of movement, for example, the end of December 2024. If I go to Laptop 12, you will see it now in Colorado with Philip from the Operations Department. Now we can see the tracking history of the Laptop 12. It is now with Philip in the Operations Department. I can view the historical information by date and export it as an Excel file. I can track all this information, all movements, and export the data for reporting purposes. All the assets listed here reflected from the Accounting module. All movements for all assets can be grouped by asset, location, status, or employee. And there you have it. You've reached the end of our tutorial on the Asset Tracking module developed by Openinside. We hope this tutorial have given you a clear guidance on the module's functionality. If you enjoyed this video and want to explore more of Openinside's Odoo module tutorials, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Thank you, and see you in our next video.